Mine is a 12-year-old daughter. So generally, when we want to play together, like papa, mummy, and so she like either mama or papa. तो साथ में she cannot handle, मतलब aggressive हो जाती है at times. कि नहीं, mama you go, I'll play with papa, or papa you go, I'll play with mama.
So very good. So what is wrong in that, or what is the difficulty in that?
Like I want to know, is it like general, normal, or is there something problem with us?
No problem with you and no problem with her. Okay, it is one child's choice at that time, and they connect differently with the mummy, and they connect differently with the daddy. Like even my child, there are certain things I have noticed in her. Certain things she will only share with me. Certain things she will only share with mummy. Okay, and she knows exactly what to share with her and what to share with me. If
Same
she,
actually.
if she is in pain, first call will come to me. If she is in physical pain, mental pain, emotional pain, spiritual pain, first call will come to me. If she is in, if she wants some money, she will never come to me.
Same.
So she knows where to get what with who. Okay, that is how we have brought her up, and each child will relate to mummy and daddy differently, and it's perfectly okay to play only with mummy or only with daddy. But the fun part is, I'm just telling you, is now the game is up to you and your husband. How do you make her play with both of you? You just take it as a play, take it as a game, take it as a chal dekhte, let's try this. So instead of getting stressed out or worried or even concerned or anxious that why he or she is not playing, you take it as a game that let us try this, let us try this, let us try this, and you do all those things to make sure that all three of you play together. And when you many times you will fail, but sometimes you will win, and when you win, enjoy that game. Then you will learn more कि उसके many times the child is playing purposely with both of you. So you have to learn her game and make this whole game a hilarious and laughable and very enjoyable process. And sometimes you will win, sometimes you will lose. No problem. At least game to shuru karo.
We generally make the third person as an empire or judge. So somehow involvement is there.
So enjoy the game, and the more you enjoy the game, the more she will want to be part of the game. And when maybe she wants you all to make her an empire, so that she enjoys this game of I'm chidoing the mummy or daddy. That's their fun. That's their fun.